Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about adjuvants in vaccines, what they are, how they work, and why they are such an important part of modern immunization strategies. So, what are adjuvants? Adjuvants are substances that are added to the vaccines to enhance the body's immune response to the antigen or the part of the vaccine that triggers immunity. They help make the immune response or immune reaction stronger so the body builds better protection. By using adjuvants, we can often reduce the amount of antigen needed in the vaccine or decrease how often booster doses are required. Now we will understand why are adjuvants used. So adjuvants are used because they make vaccines more effective in several ways. They help create a stronger, long lasting immune response, allowing the antigen to stay in the body for a longer period of time so the immune system can recognize it in better way. They also improve the activation of antigen presenting cells or APCs. These are immune cells that show the antigen to T cells to start the immune response or immune process. Additionally, adjuvants stimulate the release of important immune signaling molecules such as cytokines, and the examples are interleukin 12 or IL-12 and interferon gamma or IFN-gamma, which enhance both T cells and B cell responses. Now we will understand that how do adjuvants work. So adjuvants work through several mechanisms. One of the mechanism is depot effect, where the adjuvant helps release the antigen slowly over the time, giving the immune system more opportunity to respond. They can also activate the innate immune system or the body's first line of defense by stimulating receptors like toll-like receptors or TLRs. Adjuvants further activate antigen presenting cells such as macrophages, dendritic cells, and they help direct the type of immune response by promoting either T helper cells 1 or T helper cells type 2 polarization, their polarization process depending on the kind of protection needed. Now we will understand which type of adjuvants are exist. So there are several type of adjuvants used in vaccines today, each with its own features. So alum or the short form of aluminum salts, this is the most commonly used adjuvant. It promotes Th2 type immune response and provides a depot effect for slow antigen release. Now, MF59, an oil in water emulsion that recruits antigen presenting cells to the injection site and helps create a balanced immune response. Now, AS01B, a liposome based adjuvant that activates TLR4 or toll like receptor 4, leading to a strong Th1 type response useful for viral infections. Now, virosomes, which mimic the viral entry, means these are the virus like particles that mimic the viral entry into the cells, making the immune system respond as if it were seeing as a real virus. Next one is poly-IC, a synthetic double-stranded RNA molecule that acts like TLR3 agonist and stimulating antiviral immune responses. Now we will understand where are adjuvants used in vaccines. So different vaccines use different type of adjuvants depending on the target disease. Alum is used in vaccines for hepatitis A, hepatitis B, human papillomavirus or HPV, and the DTP vaccine for diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis. MF59 is used in the FLUAD influenza or FLUAD influenza vaccine to enhance the immune protection in older adults. AS01B is the adjuvant used in the Shingrix vaccine for shingles or herpes zoster, and virosomes are found in Epaxel vaccine for hepatitis A and Inflexil vaccine or Inflexil B for influenza. So now we will understand what about the safety and the regulations. So all adjuvants used in vaccine must be proven to be safe, non-toxic and well tolerated. They undergo strict evaluation for any local or systemic side effects during the clinical trials. Regulatory authorities such as US Food and Drug Administration or FDA, the European Medicines Agency or EMA, and the World Health Organization or WHO review and approve them before they can be used in vaccines. So it's important to note that the safety and effectiveness of an adjuvant can vary based on the factors like age, health status, and population group, obviously. Now we will understand what is the next for adjuvant research. So ongoing research is focusing on developing smarter and more personalized adjuvants. This includes nanoparticle based delivery system that can target immune cells more precisely and combination of adjuvants that can be tailored for specific immune responses. Scientists are also exploring the use of adjuvants in cancer vaccines and therapeutic vaccines for chronic diseases. And with the rise of mRNA vaccines, researchers are optimizing adjuvants to make these newer vaccine platforms even more effective. That's all for today's lecture on the vaccine adjuvants. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lectures like this.